Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to highlight 7 cryptocurrencies that are in my portfolio. Now, my portfolio is pretty vast. 70% is kind of in my blue chip assets, about 7 or 8 cryptos at the top of the market cap list. And then from there, well, I own a lot of small caps and mid caps, and enough to where, listen, if some of these go absolutely parabolic, that's what I'm looking for. They're not all going to be winners, but they're not all going to be losers either. And when I win in the small cap, mid cap space, I want to win big. So I'm going to give you a nice little mix in this video. Talk about 7 cryptos, and I'm going to start with some of the blue chips that I'm really focused in terms of accumulating. And then we're going to get into some other mid to small cap cryptos for you that you can check out. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But I want to give you guys some insight into how I'm thinking and some of the things that are in my portfolio. So I'm going to continue to make videos like this. Like today, I'm going to give you these 7. Another day, I'll give you another 7 or 8 different ones. And just to kind of get your brain kind of working around my philosophy in terms of how I want to get ready and be prepared for this crypto bull run. So if you like the sounds of that, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. And right now, right here, right now, down below, there's a like button. Like the smash button. If we're going to go back to 2021, like that smash button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's dive right in. And we're going to start at the top of the list, guys. Now, I'm not going to give you guys Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, those are 2 big holdings of mine. But we're going to get a little bit more into the weeds here in the top 100 in terms of some cryptos that I'm loving. I'm going to give you guys 3 plays right now. And these aren't the only 3 plays, okay? Again, I'm just kind of mixing it up here. H-bar still on a nice run, but stacks too. I'm not even going to give you that one. I've talked a lot about that one before. I'm going to give you a couple other ones. A little bit further down the list. I'm going to start, guys, with Kaspa. Kaspa right now, I think, severely undervalued. There's the all chart for Kaspa, sitting at around 13 cents right now. The all-time high, popped up there over 18 cents. There was a recent tweet sent out by a huge cryptographer, huge Kaspa guy. He said, can Kas get to 50 cents in 2 months? It actually has a chance, he thinks. Regardless, I'm looking at Kaspa as a long-term hold in this bull cycle. I think there's so much more upside potential here with Kaspa, and not a lot of people are talking about it right now. I think that's why it's a really, really interesting play right now. So Kaspa is my first blue chip I wanted to give a shout out to and highlight. And then we're going to go to Sui, guys. We were stacking up on Sui below 98 cents. I think we got it at 97 cents on the big dip, as you guys can see right here. This to me was an absolute steal right here when we got this big dip just the other day. Sui has been one I've been just continuing to DCA into. This is a Solana competitor. And they have a lot of bullish things happening within their ecosystem, from gaming to obviously their VC backing from, their people who founded it formerly at Meta. Okay, they were on the Diem project. Absolutely love Sui. Down here kind of on the list a little bit at 61. I'm looking for that next big Solana type play. Solana 200X'd, guys, in 2021. That's what people don't realize. You can find 100X's in the top 100 or just outside it. And we're going to get to some of the small caps where I think we have some potential as well. Before we do, though, I want to give you guys one more play, and that is Ondo. That's already in the top 100. Ondo also looking very, very bullish. This is the all chart for Ondo, guys. Super bullish. I've been DCAing here on the dips. My average cost is around 83 cents. I'm excited about this one. Ondo is set to be massive. It's listed on all the top tier exchanges. Not Binance yet, though. Not listed on Binance just yet. And that will change some things for sure. So Ondo is another one that I absolutely love. And when we talk about Ondo, we're talking about what? We're talking about RWA, right? A new era of financial inclusivity on chain. The Ondo Foundation breaks down what they're trying to do on their website. They are the market leader in the tokenization of real world assets, the leading DeFi protocol supporting tokenized RWAs, governed by Ondo DAO. Oh yeah, these 3 right here in the top 100: Ondo, Sui, Kaspa. write them down, research them, take a look at them. Now, we're going to dive into some smaller caps, mid caps here that I've already profited on 3 out of the 4, and I'll talk through that a little bit. And I still think there's some upside. Okay. Now, admittedly, I've worked with all 4 of these companies at some point in the past, 2 years. I want to start with VSG, Vitalik Smart Gas. Now, I've already profited on VSG. I was an early investor here, got into it around $2 million market cap. When it spiked way up here, well over 40 million, we were taking profits off the table. So I've got a nice bag remaining, but I've profited a really healthy amount. This is a layer 2 doing some very unique things. Vitalik Smart Gas, VSG token. It's ticker symbol ending in 77AA. I still love what these guys are building. They've got a great platform for staking, great NFT line. How about another one? PMPY, Prometheum. This is another one. I was in here around a $2 million market cap. I've taken profits all the way up the top, and we've been here for a while now. PMPY, they're in the AI sector. Small cap, relatively, mid cap, 13 million. Remember, VSG was around 12 million. So these are kind of similar plays. They've both hit all-time highs. They've both dialed back a little bit. I still think both of these have legs, though. So PMPY is another one. Now, I want to take you inside PMPY's new website that they just came to market with. So this is kind of giving you a glimpse. They've got the Prodigy Flip mobile app, crypto trading mobile app set to revolutionize the way crypto traders invest in crypto. Been very impressed with this team, how they've built this thing in a very, very short amount of time. So definitely check into these guys. I'll leave all the links to both the large caps and the small caps, mid caps. Everything you need to know will be in the description, all these links. So this is just, again, a company I've worked with before. I've already profited on this company, investing in this company, and I still have some remaining because I believe in the long-term future. That's the beautiful thing, guys. If you can profit early on these projects, get your money back plus whatever you see fit, then you can let the rest ride. If you believe in these companies long-term, you've already won the trade. That is the secret. So win the trade first, then play the long game. I'm doing that with VSG. I'm doing that with PMPY. Again, check out their new website. Links will be down below. The other is TokenFi. Now, TokenFi is within the Floki ecosystem, also in the RWA space. Tokenizing anything is what TokenFi brings to the table, guys. It's a $64 million market cap. We have been crushing it with this. We were here day one as an investor. We organically invested into TokenFi. And then the team from Floki actually found me talking about them on YouTube and said, hey, can we bring you on as an ambassador? I said, hell yeah. I love what you guys are doing already. It's a perfect fit. And we saw the chart go absolutely crazy all the way up to 24 cents, just about double where we are now. Went up over $100 million market cap. So you're getting it at a discount. Listen, not financial advice, but I think TokenFi is set to benefit huge with this RWA narrative. And they really bring some great utility to the space. TokenFi is one that I've made some money on already, but you better believe I've got a bag still, and in hopes this thing can get to $1 billion market cap in this cycle. That's what I'm looking for TokenFi. Now, the next one and final one, and this chart looks terrible, but you know what? I'm going to spin this and tell you guys this is an unbelievable opportunity. And I could be wrong, okay? Don't hear me and say, okay, Zach, I'm going to do exactly what you said and blah, blah, blah. I could be wrong, guys. People are right and wrong in crypto all the time. In fact, you're going to be wrong probably more than you're going to be right. But I'll tell you guys, I had privately invested into K9 Finance DAO $5,000 as a private investor. Now I have a 12-month vesting schedule. This is the official staking platform of Shibarium. So if you believe in the SHIB ecosystem, this chart is at a premium opportunity just below a $4 million market cap. Again, been a private investor, have not been able, I had a 1-month vest. I can't even get access to my first portion of my tokens until the 7th of May. It looks as if a lot of people have already sold off. So what will I be doing when I get my tokens? I'm hanging in there. I'm holding the line here with K9 Finance because the chart to me can only go up from here. There has to be upside potential here with K9 Finance being the official staking platform. We saw what Bad Idea AI did within the SHIB ecosystem, went to 150 million at some point. I think K9 Finance will get to 100 million at some point. Call me crazy. That would be a 25x from here. We'll see. If you got some value out of this, let me know that you like this video by liking the video. If you want me to do more videos like this and break down, 5, 6, 7 cryptos like this and why I'm investing in it, what my strategy is, let me know in the comment section, please, because I'm trying to give you guys different types of content. I'm trying to see what you like, and then I can give you more of that. So if you would, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Let me know that you like this style. And if you don't, let me know what else you guys like. I genuinely want to hear from you guys, and that would be awesome. Real quick before we get up on out of here, XT Algo, guys. This is my trading indicator, my software that I came to market with in August. This thing works. Just yesterday, it triggered a buy on HBAR. I'll show you. And I made a 98% trade yesterday because of my indicator. And you could be using this too, guys. Okay, just yesterday, if you go here on the, let's go to the 2-hour chart, and you'll see exactly what happened. Actually, let's go to the 4-hour. There we go. So here's what happened, guys. And it even showed you where to exit the trade. Look, there's a 55% move if you just follow the bars, but I actually got out near the top here, right around 17 cents when we did the double top on HBAR on the 4-hour. That's where I exited my trade. I knew to get in here right at 9 cents because my software saw it coming. Guys, you can get access to this too. So I traded HBAR yesterday, made a nice return, I think of around 86% or something like that. Actually, it was a little less than 90, but super pumped about it. Literally just following the tools that are right here. So for a little over $1 a day, sign up with XT Algo today. I appreciate you guys so much. And again, let me get your feedback. I truly want to hear from you. Let me know if you like this style. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.